Hello everyone and welcome to this new Ruuvi video, which will be a presentation and a Quickstart guide for the Ruuvi Gateway. The Ruuvi Gateway is a game changer. Before, you had to be in the Bluetooth range to receive data from the Ruuvi sensors. Now, you can receive data from the same sensors from anywhere in the world thanks to the Ruuvi Gateway. For example, you can leave your house or your summer house for an extended period of time and just keep an eye on the conditions over there from wherever you are, as long as you have an internet connection. So how does it work? In simple words, the idea is that the Ruuvi sensors send data via Bluetooth to the Ruuvi Gateway, which can receive data from further than before since it has an improved antenna and receiver compared to a regular phone. Then the Ruuvi Gateway shares the sensors data to our new cloud service via an internet connection. The sensors data is then retrievable from anywhere, either from our new web interface or from the Ruuvi Station mobile app as before. The sensors can also be shared with your friends or family to make measuring your world even greater than before. The Ruuvi Gateway comes ready to use. In the box you'll find the gateway, its power cable, an adapter, an antenna cable and instructions. The only thing you'll need to add is an internet connection, either wired or wireless. The first step is to plug the power in. Then you'll need to connect the gateway to internet. Use the wired connection to avoid any configuration. However, it is also possible to use Wi-Fi so that advanced users can use their own server and HTTP or MQTT protocols to adjust even more settings. Then, on your phone, download and open the Ruuvi Station mobile app, open the side menu and click on Sign In. Type here the email address that you want to use for your Ruuvi account creation. Click on Request Code and enter the code that you'll receive into your inbox. You are now connected and the next step is to claim your sensors so that only you have control on who sees the sensors data. To do so, open the sensor settings, click on Owner and then Claim Ownership. You can see now your email address in the Owner field. As mentioned before, you can also share the sensor to another user. Just click on Share and add email address that is linked to the user's Ruuvi account. You are now ready to monitor. You can see in the bottom right corner if you're receiving data via gateway or Bluetooth. This will change automatically once you get back in the sensor's Bluetooth range. You can also use our new web interface to monitor your sensors. To do so, open a web browser, go to station.ruuvi.com and log yourself with the same address as on your phone. You can see here all the sensors that you have claimed or that have been shared with you. Click on one of them to see more details. Here you can see when the data has been updated for the last time. You can look for temperature, humidity, air pressure or movement readings. By simply moving on the graph, you will see values for every measurement very precisely. For even more precision, you can change the timescale here. You can simply switch from a sensor to another by clicking on the arrows. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you won't miss any of the upcoming ones. And tell us also in the comments or on the Ruuvi forum what will be your use case for the Ruuvi Gateway.